Padilla, and we are now here at Cheese and Stalk Artisan Pizzeria in Tuguegarao to taste their 4-cheese pizza, lomi, and pancit badil pato. Cheese and Stalk is an artisan pizzeria serving assorted pizzas such as loaded meat and veggies, beef and bacon, and beefy mushroom. So Cheese and Stalk is a fusion of cuisines. They have Italian, they have Filipino, and other Asian dishes that is well received. I particularly like the ambience of this restaurant, which is very millennial, which is great for meetings also, and group bonding and family dining. It is located at the back of St. Paul University here in Tuguegarao City. So let's review their food, and I will tell you later why you should go to this particular restaurant. We have pancit badil patong, cheese and stock version, and of course, the 4-cheese pizza, or they call it quattro formaggio pizza. And then we have iced tea to quench our thirst. So right now, friends, we have our food buddy. We have fellow Norte vlogger Brian. Hi. Kailangan natin siyang ibit-bit kasi hindi naman natin kayang ubusin lahat ng in-order natin. So these humongous meals, would you believe that it only costs about more or less 300 pesos. Wow. So now that Brian is here, we should taste first the lomi. Ano ang masasabi natin dun sa lomi nila na talaga namang halos isang langgana yung lomi nila at ganun siya ka-affordable.
I like it.
Malinamnam siya. Matitikman mo yung lasa ng chicharon at saka yung crab meat.
Nice.
I'm not a fan of lomi, especially in this hot city. So the reason why I like their lomi is that it's saucy, it's thick, and then yung noodles niya hindi ganun ka-intimidating. Ito hindi siya intrusive, like parang yung tang mo, free siya na matitikman yung other ingredients. So, hindi siya crowded like yung super thick na lomi. Pero gusto ko siya kasi bukod sa malasang-malasa yung kanyang soup. That's why I particularly love their lomi here in Cheese and Stalk. Particular version of the pancit from Tuguegarao is not really overloaded with meat. It has the generous amount of chicharon, it has egg on top, the noodles are soft and tasty, and then the way they cook it is just right.
Hindi siya nakakaumay like yung mga ibang version ng badil patong. Sakto lang yung mga ingredients na nilagay.
I like it.
Yummy!
Sarap talaga ng 4-cheese. Two things. Pizza girl and cheese. Sarap. Para siyang bonus. So, ito yung tipo ng pizza na lagi namin binabalik-balikan dito sa Cheese and Stalk. Pag may sakit ka, nalulungkot ka, masaya ka, you're going to celebrate, ito yung dapat yung staple.
Pero sa akin naman, gusto ko yung itsura niya, thin yung crust niya. Gusto ko rin yung lasa niya kasi at saka may parang hinalong konting asin.
To come and taste their delicious offerings here at Cheese and Stalk. This is Branch Padilla for the foodie segment of the influencers. Dasol is a third-class municipality in the province of Pangasinan, Philippines. It is the home of the finest salt. People here like to call their town Dazzling Dasol because during the months of salt making, the clay-laden salt beds dazzle and sparkle to the sunlight as salt crystals are formed. 10 things to do when in Dasol. Number 1 is get to know Dasol's history. Deep in the waters of Dasol lies 2 sunken ships. One is a warship, another is a cruiser. During the World War II, the USS Harder and the Japanese cruiser Kumano. When in Dasol, try salt farming. Enjoy scraping salt crystals in the sun-kissed salt beds near the road in Dasol. You will feel a therapeutic effect on your feet as the warm clay and the salty water cleanses and heals your feet. If you tried salt farming, then buy the finished product, the solar salt. As salt water is the main ingredient, the salt's finest quality salt boasts of only using natural elements of the earth to give you the best product. Roam the beaches of Makalang. Makalang boasts of the nearest beach to the highways of Dasol. You can just drop off the bus and hit the beach. A lot of families come over for picnic. Go to Dasoland and commune with nature. Before or after you hit the beach, Dasoland is the next perfect destination. It is the biggest and most complete resort in Dasol with a zoo, a cactus farm, and other areas for team building activities. Go also to Tambobong Beach. Soak up in the sun, sand, and shallow waters of this pristine beach. Travel farther to the islands and have the best experience of Dasol. Stay the night and enjoy beach bumming to the fullest. Island hopping, beach volleyball, camping, and picnic in the islands. Colibra Island is undeniably one of the best islands in Pangasinan. And going to Dasol is nothing without going through that island. Find the mermaid's pool. Discover where mermaids bond together and spend time people watching. Visit the mangrove farm. Dasol has a vast mangrove farm. Go there and get lost in the greeneries within the bay. The last but not the least is go caving at Nikal Cave. Dasol has more than 300 unexplored caves. And this, Nikal, is one of its most popular one that has been opened recently to the public.
Come on, buddy. Let's go.
Hola! So, we're here inside Cosmetic Showroom. And of course, we have a guest, Miss Megs EP1.
Nice.
So, our next stop is yung mga tins. So, tin from DTI, although panic, it's organic. Nice. So, the organic is already available here. And meron din tayong happy bag. Mabango siya. Ayan. And of course, satin strap. Ang bango niya, guys. Collagen coffee. So, kung gusto mo ng collagen coffee, available rin siya. Mini Star Highlighter. So, yun dun sa mga mahilig sa makeups. Ayan, marami kayong makikita dito. And, meron tayong aloe vera gel. So, marami tayong mga organic natural plant. Effective yung mga ganito. Before, gumagamit ako ng mga ganyan. Colors, earth colors. So, I'm more on the mga light shades. And yung mga brown, gano'n. So, ayan, natural lang. And, we've tried this unicorn pearls. Ayan. Nag-glow yung skin namin. Ang ganda. Nice siya. So, we're done checking out the products inside Cosmetic Showroom. And we are here with the owner. Yan, ang napakagandang owner ng Cosmetic Showroom is Steph Colliado. Kasama pa rin natin si Megs. Hi. Ayan. Ano yung naging inspiration mo para ma-put up yung Cosmetic Showroom?
Actually, before kasi, nag-aral ako ng makeup. So, naging passion ko na yung makeup. So, ito na yung focus ko. Bihira yung papasok ka sa store na walang testers, diba?
Guys, so we're inviting you. Asan pala nila mga hanap ang Cosmetic Showroom?
Number 22, Carang Building, Aguinaldo Street, Centro 6, Cagayan. Taas lang ng Loungerie.
So, kung naghanap kayo ng makeup or anything, nandito na. So, punta na lang kayo dito. Hola! And we are here on our second shop, Loungerie.
So, ayan, ang daming mga bags. Napakaganda yung mga in na bags. Clothes, mga jeans, ripped jeans, na super uso ngayon, and yung mga accessories. Yan. And of course, surprise! Ayan yung mga shades, usong-uso. Meron din po tayong mga bags. Ayan. And of course, meron din tayong mga shoes. Ayan. So, meron din mga swimsuit, ayan, pouches, coin purse, outfit number 1, outfit number 2, and outfit number 3.
That's it. And I hope you enjoyed yung ating tour inside Loungerie. And sana nag-enjoy din kayo dun sa mga outfit na pinit ni Sis Megs. Thank you, guys.
Imagine we are entering a nice house and lot that we just bought.
Okay, my guest for today is Mr. Mike Flores of Jesnor Realty.
My name is Melissa. Thank you
Hello,
for
Mike.
having me on your podcast.
Yes, you're welcome, Mike. I'm sure, Mike, maraming nagtatanong, magkano ngayon ang market value ng like, how much per square meter?
Well, it depends po. Pero yung if you are asking for the price range, usually pag residential is 5 to 10 na. And for commercial, 15 to 60 for commercial.
Ano-ano naman yung mga bagay na dapat nilang i-consider when buying a property here in Cagayan City?
So before purchasing a property, the buyer should beware and check for the quality of the goods first. First and foremost, you should check is siyempre yung titulo. Title must be clean from encumbrances. Diba? You should. And also, who is the owner of the
That's
property?
the most important.
The most important thing, we are here as real estate brokers in order to guide the buyer and ensure that transactions are clean, transactions are fast.
I'm sure may mga interested buyers tayo dyan. How can they contact you?
Brixton Mall, in Pengueruyo, Cagayan City. And you can also contact us in 0915-260-4221 and for landline 375-4242.
Okay. Meron kaming 4 function halls, ma'am, which is kaya i-accommodate ang hanggang 500 guests. Tapos, aside from that, ma'am, meron din kaming parking lot, which is kaya i-accommodate ang 100 cars.
Hotel Carmelita offers clean rooms with comfortable beds and adequate lightings. Also, they have bathtubs where you can soak and relax. Swimming pool for adults and kids where you can enjoy plunging with your family and friends. At night, enjoy good music at their acoustic bar and grill. They have a big parking lot that can accommodate 100 cars. Need a venue for your parties and events? You may also book at Events Place of Hotel Carmelita. Sing your hearts out at their KTV bar.
Okay, Miss Keisha, if you want to book, what number should we call? Just call or text 0917-57-2277 or like us on Facebook, Hotel Carmelita.